Hello students, good to see you all again in today's session. Today's online session is on English. Last class we have started with the reading strategy, that is guessing or predicting. That is how to guess by playing guessing game. Today we are going to learn what is prediction or guessing and the words to be used while guessing or prediction. I will be sharing a presentation to all of you. I hope you all are able to see. It's a reading strategy making prediction. What is prediction? Prediction is a guess as to what will happen next. That is, here we are going to see that what will be next. Move to the next slide. Now here you can see a picture over here. You have to observe what is happening in the below picture. Now to observe you have to think of two things. That is, you have to look at the picture very carefully. Second point, you have to use the information you already have about it and think and then see what is happening in the below picture. For this, you can use some words which will help you to think what will happen next. So the words which will help you to think or guess are may, will, could, probably, can, might, likely. You can write those words in your notebook. Now in the next slide, you are going to predict what will happen. Take a few minutes, think about it, share your thoughts with your partners, that is with your siblings, your parents or with your grandparents, and note it down in your book. I hope you all have done with it. So, what can you predict what will happen? So here, I will tell that I could see an animal. It's a bear, a boy, and a plant of a banana plant where you can see bananas. Here, it can be the boy might be hungry. The bear will help boy to get the banana. The boy could go with bear, or the boy might have lost in the jungle and he is very hungry. I hope you to guess some of these things. So, when you were predicting or guessing, you use two things. That is, you observe the picture carefully. Second, you have thought whatever informations you were already having and then you thought about it. We'll move to next slide. Here is an homework for you. As today we have learned that we have seen the words used to guess like need, may, could, probably. So you have to choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Number 1, the boy dash be hungry. Two options are given, might and need. Number 2, the bear dash help the boy. Option are and should. Number 3, both dash be friends. Option were and will. You have to choose the correct option and fill in these blanks. You can write this in your notebook. So, see you in the next class to see what happens next in the reading strategy. Thank you. Have a nice day.